The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin.
Hi everyone, and thanks Peter, it's great to be on board.
There's the whistle, and here we go. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Hoists it high.
It can only get better, this. We haven't seen a shot yet, and I'm hoping that when we do, it'll spark a whole series of them because it needs livening up.
Ball's gone out of play. So what now? Plays it long. Keeps everyone guessing. There are a few waiting for it. Chance! He's away! Just joined us, you'll be glad to know that you haven't missed a goal. Keeper's got good distance on that. Cuts it out. There's the end of the first half. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time.
Qarabagh clearly have been the better side for me. Yeah, I know the score doesn't quite reflect it, but if they go about their game in the same manner as the opening 45 minutes, things really should improve.
They've got it back and can have another go. Good clearance and very necessary. Tries to get some whip on it. Loose ball, who's going to get that? That's gone a long way up and away. Up towards the hour mark and still no goals. Out towards the flank. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Forward it goes. Oh, a few chances to talk of, Jim. Defence is, it seems, on top here.
Yeah, I think it's a scoreline in keeping with what we've seen up to this point. Combined...
In it goes! And that is the goal we've all been yearning for. The purest possible contact. What a fabulous strike.
That is just the top drawer finish. He was always in control and couldn't have placed it any better.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Qarabagh take the lead.
Yeah, and they still have enough time to carve out a chance or two and get right back into this.
Qarabagh haven't yet dipped into their subs. And he's through on goal. What about it?
Well, we're all back to square one, but I hope this game opens up from here. It looks as if it could happen.
Just so calm under pressure.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
He's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Comes sliding in. He's made sure that that won't get through. With so much to recommend it. Fabulous contest, but still no clear winner.
Yes, and what a battle this has been. Neither is showing any sign of backing off. It's a tribute to wonderful attitude to put everything they've got into attempting to gain that vital edge.
He's looking unstoppable here. He's gone for it! Decent enough try.
Well, when it becomes that speculative, I think it requires something from the very top drawer, and you have to think a little bit more about that. In the end, he's just opted for raw power. They need a bit more urgency in their play. Time is ticking away.
If we're going to get a winner, it's got to come now. That's good intervention. Things could have got far worse than that. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. So it's ended in a draw, draft and graft and everything apart from a winning goal that never came. And in